Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a perfect steak, Jamie Oliver style. First, selecting the right cut is key. A thicker steak, around 1.5 inches, cooks beautifully. Remember to take your steak out of the fridge about 60 minutes before cooking so it reaches room temperature. This ensures even cooking. Finally, season both sides generously with sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Now let's get cooking. A screaming hot pan is essential for that incredible caramelized crust. Jamie's secret is to trim and render the steak's own fat in the pan, creating a rich, natural cooking oil. Then, add your seasoned steak. For a perfect medium rare, cook for about 3 minutes on each side, turning it every 60 seconds for an even cook. The resting phase is absolutely crucial for a juicy steak. Once cooked, transfer your steak to a plate and let it rest for at least 2 to 4 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat. For an extra touch of flavor, rub it with a small knob of butter or a drizzle of good olive oil. Always slice your steak against the grain for the most tender bite. To truly elevate your steak, consider basting it with those delicious pan juices and fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme while it cooks. You can also whip up a quick, natural sauce by combining the resting juices with a little extra virgin olive oil and a pinch of sea salt. Serve your perfectly cooked steak with a peppery watercress salad or a zesty chimichurri for a truly memorable meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.